be right here. Yeah, let's do that. And then let's just think about this for 1 second. Here, up, and you can go back that way. I cut. You can feed this. You won't be in the way. And we can get it down here. Okay, that's it. Might even be able to get a cow hitch on this. Yeah, I can. Nice. Get myself a nice little cow hitch. Come on, cow. Nice little cow hitch going on. Okay, I didn't go nowhere. Then I need